To access your monthly commission reports, first you'll log into your partner portal and navigate to Management Reports. Here you'll see the posted commission reports available. Click on the blue text to navigate to the Report Parameters page. You'll enter the date that the commissions were posted, and that date will be provided by your Telesystem team. From here, you're able to view your commissions generated for the previous commission cycle. You have a few options from this page. You can change parameters to view previous commission cycles. We have a snapshot or summary of your commissions generated for this commission cycle. And you also have the ability to export as Excel or CSV from this page as well.